Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss about Social Science first chapter, A Road to History. Today's our topic, reckoning time. You know reckoning? Reckoning means calculating or estimating time. Then dear students, do you know when did India gain independence? It was in 1947. Then when was the state of Kerala formed? It formed in 1956. Then do you know when was the Salt Satyagraha organized? It organized in 1930. Then dear student, please note the 3 years 1913, 1947, 1956. Then I will ask two questions based on these years. First question, how many years after the independence was the state of Kerala formed? Please count. How many years? 9 years. Next, how many years before the independence was the Salt Satyagraha organized? 17 years. Then here, the year of independence. The chronology or events measured based on the year of independence. Then please note the point. The 2 years measured chronologically measured based on the year of independence. Next question. Do you know when was the Great Wall of China built? The China Great Wall built in 221 BC. Then do you know when the Taj Mahal was built? Taj Mahal was built in AD 1648. Then do you know when was Buddha born? The Buddha was born in 563 BC. Then you know what is BC? You know what is BC? You know what is AD? You have an idea about Jesus Christ? Then we are going to learn about BC and AD. Here, Christian era or Jesus Christ is the common scale of chronology all over the world. Then BC means BC expands to before Christ. AD expands to Anno Domini. BC means before Christ. The refers to events took place before the birth of Christ. The period before the birth of Christ. For example, the Great Wall of China built before Jesus was born. AD means Anno Domini. This Latin word means in the year of our Lord. It signifies the year of birth of Jesus Christ. The events took place before the birth of Christ. For example, Taj Mahal was built after the birth of Jesus Christ, AD 1648. Then let us learn about BCE, before Common Era, and CE, Common Era. BCE used in place of BC, CE used in place of AD. For example, when was Buddha born? Buddha was born in 221 BC or 221 BCE. Next, when was built Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal built in AD 1648 or CE 1648. Then let us see the picture. This picture helps us to recognize the concept of AD and BC. You should draw the picture in your social science notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.